This is a story of a 1991 Mitsubishi Montero, rescued from a Southern Oregon backyard for 800 bucks. Follow along as I overhaul this old truck into an overland capable machine. All right, it's my first day getting to work on the Montero. Yesterday I took a run to Harbor Freight. I'm waiting on a few $100s in parts to show up from Rock Auto. Well, as you can see, I'm working outside. I'll admit I've done a terrible job filming this week. Not as good as last week, but I've made some progress. I am currently working on timing belt water pump tensioner. I just got the air conditioner dropped off, which honestly finding all the bolts for that was a bit of a trick. But what I've noticed most interesting is that there's a shit ton of oil collecting on the AC bracket. So as I peel this thing off, I'm really trying to figure out why the hell it's leaking.